Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Pro, and today we have a 2018 Toyota RAV4, stock reference number 7441. This shape runs from the 12th month 2012 through to the 12th month 2018. It has a 2AR, 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. 2AR, 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the bonnet, has a couple of small dents. Radiator grille, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left-hand fog light, left-hand headlight, left guard has no damage, left power door mirror, left front door has no damage, left front 17-inch factory steel rim with a good tyre, left rear door has no damage, left rear 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left tail light, right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light, right rear 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre, right rear door has one small dent, right front door has no damage, right power door mirror, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, auto console, auto shifter, heated controls, sat nav CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel.